Hey, today we're going to talk about how to be confident on camera. Let's get started. Hi everybody, it's me Henry and welcome back to my channel, a channel to provide values for those who want to improve their public speaking skills. If you're one of those, you gotta smash the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so you're not gonna miss out any one of my videos from this channel to improve your skills. And today we're gonna talk about how to be confident in front of the camera. And there are some steps for you to follow in this video so that you can speak confidently in front of the camera. You gotta make sure you stay until the end of this video and to learn all the secrets, all the steps that can instantly improve your skills speaking in front of the camera. And you know what? To some people, speaking in front of the people on the stage, it is a big challenge for them. So what about speaking in front of the camera? It is not easy at all because a camera, it is a device with no response, with no feeling, but you have to pretend that it is your friend, it is a human, it is an audience that you're gonna continuously give response to the camera. If you're talking on the camera, it is completely different. You have to change your mindset a little bit. For example, if I'm holding on my camera and I talk to my camera, how do you feel today? Yeah, I feel good, I feel good. Well, to some people, when you look at this kind of situation, talking to themselves, and you're gonna happy with yourself, give yourself a response, it is kind of like weird. This is the real way how you're gonna make it. But one thing good about talking in front of the camera is they can connect to the people easily to the rest of the world because of your video. And another one more thing is that even if you screw up, you can cut it anytime with the software. Just cut and cut and cut and cut and cut. You only project the best part of you. Well, another best thing is that you can have a note in front of the camera that nobody knows. This is the best part of it, talking about the camera. Well, let's jump into the step-by-step how you're gonna speak confidently on the camera. Now, the first thing is you gotta work on your mindset. You have to tell yourself, yes, I am talking to a human. I am talking to the audience. I'm talking to the audience. Then you can change your mindset, talk to yourself. Now you can go into this way. Before you talk to the camera, you can talk to the mirror. To look at yourself and talk to the mirror and get used to it. I know it sounds weird, but this is the way how you get used to it step by step. Look into the camera first, try to talk a little bit, get used to it, and then you move to camera. When you move to camera, don't expect the perfect things are gonna happen to you first. Now, when you look at the camera, record yourself for 1 to 2 minutes and you try to review yourself because you are the honest person to yourself. You're not gonna lie to yourself. If it's good, means good. If it's not good, you're gonna improve. That's it. Nothing to be ashamed of. When you are talking to the camera, you have to be yourself. Relax, don't feel pressure. I know when you turn on the record button and you will feel like pressure. Wow, it's already pressed on record. I have to keep on talking and please don't get stuck. I need to make sure it's smooth and on top. Well, you have to accept the fact that nobody is gonna be perfect in the world. No perfection. Forget about perfection, keep on going and keep on learning. You can improve step by step with the progress. And when you get used to camera, step number 2 is have a plan. Have a plan, meaning to say you need to know your topic. Knowing your topic is important because your topic is your direction. So you get to make sure all the information, all the contents is moving towards to the goal, which is the topic. So you have to know your topic. For example, if you're talking to the engineering stuff, you have to make sure your contents, they are all relevant. Don't talk about kitchen, do not talk about car, talk about the relevant. That's it. Focus on your topic, knowing your topic, and you get to plan out on your script. It is okay to plan out some scripts on it and some points that you can play a little cheat on some small note on the camera and here and there. And once you have the script, that the next thing is that you have to make sure right content to the right people. That's it, the right audience. Then only you can have the right impact. That's it. So you need to have a plan, then only you know what you're gonna talk next. And moving up, tip number 3. Tip number 3 is dress for success. Now, dress for success, you have to make sure you dress accordingly to the event. For example, you can dress like this for education purpose, that you're not gonna wear this to a sports event. Right, and for sure, you're not gonna put on the nightwear during your wedding. It is an impression. You're not going to put on the sportswear in the education such as public speaking, because what you're dressing is the impression to the audience. This is because the right attire, they're gonna boost up your confidence level on the camera. So once you fix that dressing for success, the next step is we're gonna work on the eye contact. Compared to the previous video, the eye contact on public speaking that I mentioned on the stage, but this round, the eye contact is on the camera lens. It is a tiny camera lens. I have to focus on this one. This is a little bit different compared with on the stage, because on the stage you have to take care of your audience, left, right, middle, the back, at the front. But for camera, the only audience is this tiny little lens. While for some people, especially for beginners, most of the time they will turn their focus on the screen, which is here. Then I'm keep on talking to the screen. But your eye contact, you're not looking at the lens, but you're looking at another side. Let me give an example, the wrong eye contact that I look at the other side. Well, to my opinion, I think eye contact is important. As your eye contact, it can make your direct connection to the audience. Well, I think so, it is important. What do you think? What are you looking at? You're like, where are you looking at? Suppose you need to look at the camera, you're like talking to me. But it doesn't mean you have to 100% your eye, no matter how dry is your eye, but you have to look at the camera lens. Well, we have to understand that we are human, we're not perfect, but sometimes our eye contact, it might be a little bit look at the other side, but we have to make sure most of the time look at the camera. That should be good enough. And moving up, the final step, which is the body language. Talking about the body language is pretty similar with the public speaking on the stage. It's the same thing, yet you have to make sure your shoulders up, relax, and your hand gestures, look to the front, and remember you have to put on a smiling face to the camera. Then you can make yourself more comfortable and relaxed, and at the same time your audience, they will definitely feel that you are a friendly, kind, nice person to talk with. And I would say this is like one stone, two birds, that you can help yourself relax and more confident, and to your audience, they will feel you are the nice person, confident. And with these 5 steps, I strongly believe they can boost up your confidence level. But mind you have to remember, this is not gonna work out unless you put them into practice. You have to make sure you practice, talk in front of the mirror and have a plan, keep on practice, rehearse and rehearse and rehearse. When you are familiar with the topic, you can talk smoothly when you correct dressing, body language, eye contact, that I strongly believe it can instantly boost up your confidence level and speak up from your mind, the right content, right topic to the right audience, and equal to the right impact. If you learn something and find values from this video, you gotta smash the subscribe button once again and turn on all the notifications so that you will not going to miss out any videos from my channel. And the most importantly is leave a comment below. I would love to read your comment and let me know what you think. And I really hope to see you in the next video.